Okay, so here is the best way on how you can get pictures on PolyBuzz AI. So first of what you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser and open up PolyBuzz. And here, as you can see, I've already opened it up and I have signed in as well. But what you have to do in order to get pictures, you have to go to generate image. And once you press on it, it will just take a while to load up. But yeah, here we are, and here as you can see, there are some direct images over here. But what you have to do is just go to generate image option. You got ship them as well, but you don't want to ship them the option. There are plenty more pictures, you can use them, but if you want to create your own picture, just press on generate image, just like this one. And right over here, you'll see prompt. So inside prompt, you have to type in whatever you want to prompt in. So I'm just going to type in something random. And then you have to select the subject. So I'm just going to select something random over here, just like this. And so the style, whatever style you want to go for, just go for it. And then age, whatever you want to go, I'm going to go for this. And just going to use some random ones to generate our picture. Like this. And once all this is done, you have to press on generate. Once the generate button is pressed, it will start generating the picture. But yeah, here as you can see, if you go to my gallery right over here, and once you're here, you just have to go to my gallery, and here as you can see, these are the generated images. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.